This is Muhammad Salim Kasmani once again in the eMASK YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to answer one of my video follower question. He has a worksheet. In that 4,000, 5,000 records are there, and in one of the column there is a city/country, and he is asking me how to read the country in another column. Only country. He don't want to read city or slash. So today I will explain to you how to read that. Before I start, I want to remind you, please share my video as much as you can. And if you like it, give me thumbs up. Subscribe my channel. Hit notification button so that it will give you a notification when my next video will be uploaded. So let's start. Okay, I will just remove this first. Now I'll give just first example of mid function, because we are going to use here the mid function, length function and search function. Why and how, I will explain now. First I will explain to you the mid function. Now take an example. I have a flying bird here and I want to bring the bird here. What I will do that? I will use mid function. I will type here mid, open bracket. What it says here? What text you want to mid? Okay, I have this one. Okay, comma. Now is saying the starting number. So I will count the character 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, starting from 8. And where to end? It says ending number of character you want to read. Number of character you want to read from the start number. I mean from 8, how many characters? So bird is BIRD 4. I will say read only 4 character. What happened? It reads bird. So what we use here? We use mid function. What is the mid function? What text you want to use it? Flying bird. And from where to start? 8 character. And where to end? After the 4 character you stop it. From starting from 8, read only 4 character. The same function we are going to apply. Instead of 8, we are going to use search, because we are going to search the slash, right? Clear? Because the number of character finding the search is 8, and plus we are going to use 1, because exactly slash is on 8 character and we don't want to read a slash, we want to read after slash. So 8 plus 1. And where to end? We will count the total length of the character of the word or of the shell, and minus the search will end the number of character we want to read it. So I will type here is equal to mid, open bracket. Now what is that you are going to read mid? Where you are going to find the character in the mid function? This is the one. Okay, now I'll say comma. Now it's asking me start number. So for that, what I will do is I will use search function. SEARCH, search, open bracket. What you want to search? It's asking find the text. What text you want to find it? I will use slash, comma. Where? Within what text you want to find? I want to find it here. Okay. comma. Start from where? I will say start from the first character of that cell. Okay. Then I will say +1. As I said, we don't want to start exactly the slash because we don't want slash to read. We want to read after slash. And then I'll say comma. Now, how many number of characters is asking me to read? For that, what I will do is the length of this character, the length of the cell B7. I will read length B7. 7 minus the length minus the search again, SEARCH, search what? Slash, as I said before, then comma, what you want to search, where you want to search, here, then comma, start from 1. Okay, we found the length, we found the search of slash +1, the number of character will be minus, and then close the bracket. So the mid function is ready. Now you got Lebanon. Now what is there? Nothing else. You just copy and drag it here. Copy and paste it. Just drag it. But now you can see here there are gaps, there are some space, because some people type it exactly after slash, some people type it after slash, there is a gap. So for that, what we will do is we will just use one more function is called trim. Trim, R-I-M, trim. Open bracket and at the end close the bracket. That's it. Here you finish. And then again copy and paste it. Here. So all the unwanted space are gone. What is the trim function do? It removes all the unwanted space where there is a space in the beginning or at the end or in the middle also. If there is a two space, unwanted space is called. It will remove automatically. This is the function of trim. Now, so that's it what I want to explain to you. Let me brief you again one more time. What is length is doing it? Length is counting the total number of character in the cell. For example, length B7, it will count the number of 16. It is 16. What search is finding it? We did what is the function we use? Search +1. So the total number is 8. Search will search this character slash and then +1. Here we use it total number of length minus search. So the remaining character we want to read it at the end. The remaining character in the end we are going to read it because we don't know exactly the country how many characters it is. Lebanon is I think 7 character, Jordan is 6 character, India is 5 character. So guys, that's all for today. If you really like it, and if you don't like it, share it as much as you can. Maybe it's not helpful for you, maybe it's not useful for you, but it might help to other. And subscribe my channel, hit the notification button. So when I upload another video, immediately you get the notification. And I hope I answered the question. That's all for today. Take care. Stay safe.